Ready to ditch those default Minecraft textures and give your Pocket Edition a visual makeover on your iPhone or iPad? First, you'll need a file management app. Head to the App Store and download Documents by Readdle. It's free and makes transferring files a breeze. Once installed, open Documents. Take a look around. It's going to be your new best friend for managing files on your iPhone or iPad. Now, find a texture pack you love. Websites like MCPEDL are great resources. Make sure it's compatible with Minecraft Pay and download the pack file. Typically, the texture pack will download directly into your Downloads folder within Documents. Locate your newly downloaded texture pack file there. Tap on the pack file. This should automatically launch Minecraft Pay and begin importing the texture pack. You should see an import started message in the application. Once the import is successful, head to Settings in Minecraft Pay, then scroll down and tap on Global Resources. In the My Packs section, you'll see your newly installed texture pack. Tap on it to activate it. Tap Activate. Your Minecraft Pay world should now be rocking the new texture pack. And that's it. Enjoy your visually revamped Minecraft Pay experience. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials.